What's going on YouTube? It's Ricardo, and I need to update you on a few things. Back in 2016, I started a YouTube channel called RC2 Reviews, and I wanted to do unboxings and reviews on tech products, on game consoles, computers, cameras, all the things, and I just couldn't find the time to be consistent with it back then. Fast forward a few years later, and in 2018 we started our own video production company called Storytime Productions. So this channel is going to be covering a lot of different aspects of our company. So we're going to be providing behind the scenes, a look at our video production, our photography shoots, any jobs that we do for Storytime Productions. This channel will be the behind the scenes on how those jobs go. We're also going to be providing tutorials. So I want to make tutorials on what we do for post-production, what's our process look like, what software do we use for music or for video editing or for client management software. We're also going to be vlogging and taking you on the journey with us so you can get to know us a little bit better. Me and my wife Alina, we both run the business together. And lastly, we're going to be providing reviews on all the equipment we use, as well as the stuff that we just like personally. It may not be always related to video production equipment, but if there's something that we're personally interested in, we'll be happy to share our opinion with you to sort of let you know what we think of something. We have shot the behind the scenes for about 3 or 4 production shoots already, so I'm going to be putting those out in the coming weeks. So stay subscribed, go ahead and enable that notification bell, and leave this video a like if you were subscribed before this video. So right now the channel only has about 53 subscribers, and I appreciate every single one of you. If you came for just the tech reviews and that was it, that's fine. I understand if you want to unsubscribe, but I think you'll enjoy the content that we're going to be putting out now. So I encourage you to stay subscribed, and if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one.